Hey guys, this is how to create a GIF on Canva. So head over to canva.com and then click on create a design. Then look for animated social media. It should pop up, so just click on that. Then you can go ahead and choose one of the existing templates. So maybe I'll like this coming soon template, for example. So I'll just click on that. Or you can just type into the search bar what kind of GIF that you want. So I'll just choose this one. And I can even customize it to myself. So I can just say, keep waiting, for example. Keep waiting. Looking good. We can change the date to something that's coming up. So maybe October 2024. And then once you're done like customizing your GIF, maybe I'll just resize it a little bit because I think that 9.8 seconds is a bit way too long for a GIF. So I'll just make it 3 seconds. Yep. And I'll just change the animation because I don't like this animation over here. So I'll just click on simple. Looking good. So once you're done, just click on share. And then click on download. And this is the suggested MP4 video, the suggested file type. But you can change that to GIF. And you can just click on download. And this will download your GIF. And with that, you'll be all set. Hope that video is helpful.